Hello friends, welcome to Nandi Vlogs. I hope you're safe at home. Today I'll be sharing healthy sweet recipe that is pumpkin halwa. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. So here I have taken half of the pumpkin. In Ayurveda, we call it as Kushmanda. Its botanical name is Baniscus hispida. So let us see the ingredients required for this recipe. Take a big bowl of grated pumpkin, 1 cup of jaggery, ghee, raisins, cashew nuts, chopped almonds, 1 glass of milk. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Roast cashew nuts. Roast it in a medium flame. Pumpkin is a natural coolant. It helps to relieve gastritis. It relieves fatigue. It is useful in stomach pain. Now take out the roasted cashew nuts. Add raisins. So quickly roast it. Now add grated pumpkin. Mix well. Pumpkin is highly nutritious and particularly rich in vitamin A. Now add 1 glass of milk. Mix well and let it cook for 20 minutes. In between, you can stir. Close the lid and leave for 15 minutes. So after it is done, you can mix it in between. So again I'll close the lid and leave for 10 more minutes. So totally after half an hour it looks like this. I kept in a medium flame. Pumpkin is low in calories as it is made of 94% of water. It is rich in fiber. It has high antioxidant content, may reduce the risk of heart diseases and cancer. Now let's add 1 cup of jaggery powder. Mix well till the jaggery powder dissolves completely. It is high in potassium, vitamin C and fiber. So this vitamins helps heart to be healthy. Studies shown that people with high potassium intake appears to have lower blood pressure and reduces risk of strokes. So it takes 10 more minutes to cook. So after 10 minutes it looks like this and it will start to thicken little bit. Pumpkins have high level of nutrients that are good for your skin. Vitamin E, lutein, zeaxanthin and antioxidants boost your skin defense against UV rays. People who are taking medicines such as lithium should not eat this pumpkin. In scientific tests, pumpkin has been shown to reduce blood glucose level, improve glucose tolerance and increases the amount of insulin the body produces. So our pumpkin halwa is almost done. So you should get this consistency. Now add raisins, cashews and chopped almonds. Mix it well. Switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee enhances the taste as well as ghee is really healthy. It's ready to eat. Now let's take into your serving bowl. I hope you found this recipe very much useful. Do give it a try. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me. So let me taste this. It's really tasty and healthy. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Nandi Vlogs. Thanks for watching. Bye.